Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're installing a package unit. I'm on the roof right now, and they're called commercial package units. Another name is Roof Top units, RTU, and this is a 6-ton, and the small one was a 4-ton, but they needed more air, so we increased to a 6-ton. We have to add some more return where the air gets sucked in, and some more supply, which is for the cold air, because it being a bigger unit, it needs to suck more air, and also it produces more air. So if not, we're gonna have some issues. They're called static pressure, so we'll check for that. It's just a high efficiency unit, and the old one had a bad evaporator coil, a bad condenser motor. So this one here is gonna help a lot more. The benefits are they're gonna get more air, more cold air inside the office. And this happens to be for the front part, and the front part was having issues because the sun hits it in the mornings, and it gets extremely hot here in Texas. So we're gonna help battle some of that heat coming in. So we just installed another one here about maybe about 2-3 weeks ago. Unit right behind me, this one here. So today we had to get a crane, and crane went up here and put this new one for us. So we'll get another happy customer. So call us for our AC heating and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us at the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Look up us on YouTube as well under ABC Austin Service Express. And we do offer financing available as well. We offer some plans with 10-year warranty on parts, 10-year warranty on labor, and 10-year financing as well up to, okay? All right, guys, so see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks, bye-bye.